हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाउनको लागि बेल आइकनलाई क्लिक गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।
With Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, you'll have a device that changes everything and helps you get the most out of every moment. We've created a contour-cut design by combining the camera shell with the frame of the phone, covering the camera fully in metal. This camera housing is stronger and more durable than when it was covered in glass, and your phone's design is stylish and seamless. Galaxy S21 comes in 4 colors, while S21 Plus comes in 3. Today, we've made another leap forward, building the S21 series with an adaptive screen that goes between 48 and 120 Hz. The contrast ratio and unbelievable peak brightness let you enjoy all the vivid colors in the content you're watching, even if you're outside on a really bright sunny day. Our new Eye Comfort Shield analyzes your usage pattern to automatically adjust your blue light filter, whether you choose Galaxy S21 and its 6.2-inch display, or the S21 Plus and its 6.7-inch display. You will get the most advanced, intelligent display we've ever put on a smartphone. We built these phones with our toughest front glass ever, so you can have peace of mind. With the Galaxy S21 series, you can capture, keep, and relive the moments that matter with pro-like photo and video quality. Thanks to AI, this pro-grade camera does all the thinking for you. That kind of intelligence turns everyday photography into an epic experience. And it's all possible with the computing power of Galaxy S21's brand new processor. And the intelligent camera on S21 and S21 Plus enhances the natural bokeh effect, whether in broad daylight or in the dark. So you can capture beautiful portraits under the stars. With Studio Mode, AI adjusts the lighting to create perfect portraits that look crisp and natural. High-key or low-key mono modes round out your photo, and you can even have AI select matching colors to automatically create a stunning backdrop. With AI-based face enhancement, you can enjoy high-quality selfies anytime, anywhere. With enhanced auto white balance, S21 and S21 Plus ensure your natural skin tone will be reflected in any lighting condition. Now, the AI solution on S21 and S21 Plus gives you an incredible visual experience in most third-party camera apps like Instagram and Snapchat. 8K is a revolution in video resolution. With 8K Video Snap, you can pull photos from your videos at 33 megapixels, so your screen caps will look like portraits. Just record, then tap once during playback, and snap. And we created a new visual experience called Director's View. Now you can see preview thumbnails from all your camera lenses while you shoot. That way, you can easily change angles, zoom in, go wide, close up, all while filming. At 5 nanometers, this chip represents the most significant leap in our chip performance ever, and that starts with the CPU. We're delivering 20% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU, and 2 times faster AI. And we've adopted ARM architecture to significantly increase our overall chipset speed, giving you the power to reach 20 tera operations per second. For the S21 series, we work closely with both Qualcomm Technologies and Samsung System LSI Business to develop a secure processor that meets our stringent security requirements. In addition, we brought a whole new layer of protection customized for this processor by adding a physical, tamper-resistant secure memory. We call it Samsung Knox Vault. With a secure processor, secure memory, and integrated software, this vault will safely store your device PIN and password, biometrics and blockchain, and Samsung service authentication keys. Now you'll be able to remove location metadata from photos to keep your location private. And if you have photos, videos, or text files that you want to share with friends but you don't really want them to keep, we've got a solution for you. With Private Share, you can share your content and revoke access whenever you please. Or just let it naturally expire after 2 days so you can send your content worry-free. And S21 and S21 Plus will last all day, even in a 5G network. That high-level connectivity makes the S21 series the perfect phone for everyday mobile gaming. As you know, we've been collaborating with Microsoft to bring you Xbox games on mobile via the cloud. We continue to partner with Unity to build the ultimate mobile gaming experience. With this package and our new powerful processor, the graphics get better, the phone stays cooler, and gameplay gets faster than on previous Galaxy devices.
Here are Galaxy Buds Pro. the most immersive sound experience on Galaxy Buds.
SiP minimizes the size of each chip and organizes them into dense stacks to integrate all parts into a single component for more optimal use of space. This breakthrough in engineering enables the Galaxy Buds Pro to feature two-way speakers. The Buds Pro deliver 360 audio for realistic immersion. Using intelligent motion tracking sensors and Dolby head tracking, Buds Pro can detect head movements. The Galaxy Buds Pro uses its outer mic to monitor ambient noise and its inner mic to monitor noise inside your ear. Based on these noise readings, the advanced chipset generates an anti-noise signal and eliminates up to 99% of background noise in real time. With intelligent ANC, as soon as you start to speak, a microphone detects for your voice while a sensor detects for vibrations. An advanced AI algorithm then ensures your voice isn't mistaken for other voices to confirm you're in a conversation. Buds Pro are designed with a voice pickup unit and 3 microphones to maximize call clarity. Once the voice pickup unit detects your voice, 2 outer mics positioned directly toward the mouth perform beamforming. Beamforming funnels your voice directly to the mic to minimize external noise and amplify your voice. At the hardware level, an outer mesh combines with an inner wind chamber to disperse and further neutralize wind. Finally, advanced software distinguishes between voice and wind sound patterns to ensure no leftover breeze makes its way into a call.
An auto switch lets Galaxy Buds Pro switch with you. Galaxy Buds Pro will easily switch audio to the device you're using. We carefully studied the shape and contour of the ear to make Galaxy Buds Pro fit more securely. And at IPX7, the Galaxy Buds Pro have the highest standard of water resistance in the Galaxy Buds lineup. You can get your own pair of Galaxy Buds Pro in 3 amazing colors. They'll be available for $199, starting January 15th. Galaxy Smart Tag allows you to take charge of your everyday belongings in an extraordinary way. It's a small, portable device you'll be able to easily attach to the things you love most. And its coin-size battery lasts for months, so you can trust that Smart Tag will help you track down your favorite things, even if they've been gone for a while. Imagine that you left your door open and your dog ran off. With Galaxy Smart Tag on his collar, you'll be able to track him using SmartThings Find. If he's far away, the Smart Tag on your dog's collar can send Bluetooth signals to a community of nearby Galaxy users who can help you track it down. The Galaxy Find network that powers SmartThings Find is encrypted from end to end, so you can track down your Smart Tag while keeping all data from Galaxy users in the network untraceable. But wouldn't it be great if you could find the precise location of your lost item? Galaxy Smart Tag Plus is built with ultra-wideband technology, or UWB. Thanks to UWB and AR Finder, Galaxy Smart Tag Plus will help you locate your belongings with unprecedented accuracy by guiding you to their location. You can get a Smart Tag on January 29th, and you'll be able to get a Smart Tag Plus later this year.
One UI 3 takes the digital experience to the next level. It's ready to delight users with a refined design and empower them with enhanced customization. Comfort and efficiency were our top priorities. Take a look. The new design has so many enhanced visual effects. It allows you to focus on the task at hand and put your eyes at ease. The lock screen now comes with new widgets. You can see more without even unlocking the phone. Swipe open and your home screen can be personalized, right down to the level of widget transparency. Message notifications are grouped together at the top for faster, easier access. Flip between music apps. Turn frequently used functions on and off quickly, and focus on your contents while scrolling through. One UI 3 provides seamless continuity between phone, tablet, and computer. Sync Samsung reminders with Microsoft and manage them on apps like To-Do, Outlook, and Teams. Start a project from your phone and finish up on a tablet or PC.
And with Object Eraser on One UI 3, your phone will do the touching up for you. Here, let me show you. I just simply tap the people I want to remove, like say this guy and this guy, and then AI does the rest for me. Easy, right? S21 will be available starting at $799 and S21 Plus starting at $999. Both models can be yours on January 29th.
And Galaxy S21 Ultra takes it all up a notch. It's a smartphone built for people who want more.
The Galaxy S21 Ultra's powerful camera experience starts with its upgraded 108-megapixel image sensor. In situations with ample lighting, Remosaic technology maximizes resolution to produce stunning photos by rearranging and optimizing all of the camera's 108 million pixels according to RGB Bayer patterns. The Galaxy S21 Ultra's new Remosaic algorithm uses 2 times more pixels than before to create images with more clarity, detail, and sense of texture. Enter groundbreaking Nona binning technology. At the sensor stage, a set of 9 pixels are combined into one larger pixel, increasing each pixel's surface area for capturing light. This ensures the sensor gets enough light to produce bright, detailed photos, even in darker environments. And in extreme darkness, when even the human eye struggles to see. The S21 Ultra sensor uses AI for a powerful night mode experience. With one press of the shutter, multiple frames are processed at incredible speeds to eliminate noise and blur. Then, countless reams of data collected by the sensor are processed by an internal AI ISP algorithm to identify and preserve the subject's true shape and color tone. In the case of backlighting, especially when the subject is in motion, groundbreaking 12-bit HDR combines 2 simultaneously captured 10-bit frames into a single 12-bit output. This process not only eliminates motion blur, but also produces dynamic range 3 times wider than that of 10-bit color. Space zoom on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is a turning point in the zoom experience, offering superb clarity between 1 and 100 times zoom. To improve image quality in the 1 to 10 times zoom range, innovative dual zoom combines mid-range 3 times optical zoom with long-distance 10 times optical zoom to provide an optimized and balanced range of choices. Mirrors direct light across sharp angles and pathways to produce pro-level magnification without the need for more lens equipment. The end result is a powerful yet compact double-folded lens that fits perfectly within a small space. At one push of the shutter, up to 20 frames are captured and processed at instantaneous speeds. Advanced AI then evaluates and corrects thousands of fine details to produce detailed images even at high magnification levels. Zoom Lock uses intelligent software to set the image in place so you can shoot with minimal shake. The S21 Ultra's camera uses its laser autofocus sensor to measure the distance between lens and subject in real time. If an object within 30 centimeters is detected, the camera automatically switches to the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, now with autofocus, and applies optimal macro settings for extreme close-ups up to 5 centimeters in distance.
You'll be able to capture incredible 12-bit RAW files in Pro mode. This phone has 3 times more dynamic range than photos on the S20. Our S21 Ultra will let you shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with every lens on your phone. This powerful device has a 6.8-inch display with a peak brightness of 1,500 nits. With a dynamic AMOLED 2X screen on our S21 Ultra, you'll have our most stunning display experience yet. We're introducing Wacom technology to S21 Ultra and making it the first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen. We're introducing 2 new independent S Pens today. The standard model, now bigger with a more comfortable grip, and the more advanced S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro lets you take advantage of all the great Bluetooth features you've come to love. The S Pen for S21 Ultra will be available at launch, and the S Pen Pro will be available later this year. You can get your very own Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99, and you'll be able to make it truly your own and choose among 3 gorgeous backplate colors that match the unique camera deco pattern. If you choose the S21 Plus, you can pick between 2 stunning colors with a delicate rose gold shell. These colors will be available exclusively from Samsung.com in select countries.
We partnered with Google to give you a smart home ecosystem unlike any other by making Google Nest products compatible with SmartThings. Now you can change your temperature on your Nest thermostat or check your Nest Cam and Hello Doorbell, all from the SmartThings app on your Galaxy phone. We're adding cars to the SmartThings ecosystem, You'll also be able to start or stop your engine from the app and turn on your AC or heater before you even get in the driver's seat. So we've been working closely with Google to give you a world-class experience through Android Auto, making it easier than ever to bring the power of your smartphone to your car. You'll enjoy a simple app ecosystem with access to your favorite navigation and entertainment apps. You can also talk to Google to make calls and send messages safely. I'll just start coming home. So while I drive home, my house does the work for me. My Google Nest adjusts my home temperature. My robot vacuum cleans the living room. And my Samsung washing machine gets started on the laundry, so I can put it in the dryer as soon as I get home. If I'm running low on battery and want to power it up, it'll direct me to the nearest charging stations. With Digital Key, you'll be able to open the door of your house with your mobile device. This Digital Key gives you a trailblazing, touchless experience. You'll be able to unlock your car door with your phone. The door will unlock when you reach it.
We are entering into a new and expanded partnership with Google.